Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between the POCO X7 and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 5G smartphone to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs and daily performance. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are all of the benchmarking applications we got here. The 3D mark is not working yet on our Redmi Note 14 5G. The Xiaomi is blocking its access to the internet, and because of that we are not able to run this test. So instead of that we will use only the Geekbench 6 and Antutu benchmark for consideration for this benchmarking test score comparison. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmark. So the Redmi Note 14 5G scored 451,943 and the POCO X7 scored 691,595. So as you can see, the winner is POCO X7. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in all of these four, performance of POCO X7 is better compared to the Redmi Note 14 5G. The biggest difference is coming from the GPU section, so you can expect that the gaming performance of the POCO X7 is going to be way better compared to Redmi Note 14 5G. You can also watch our gaming performance review of these two smartphones to get the better idea regarding the FPS generation and the gameplay. But our concern is the overall score, and in that you can see the winner is POCO X7. Now if you go to the Geekbench 6, this test is divided in two parts, CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So you can see that the POCO X7 scored 920 in single core and 2668 in multi-core, while Redmi Note 14 5G scored 949 in single core and 2313 in multi-core. So in single core, performance of Redmi Note 14 5G is better, but when it comes to multi-core, performance of POCO X7 is better. Now if you go back from here to the GPU test, in this you can see that POCO X7 scored 2485, and in case of our Redmi Note 14 5G, once again test was not able to run fully because one or more tests were failed, and because of that the assigned score was 0. And the reason behind this is once again the lack of internet connectivity to Geekbench server from this device, because Geekbench 6 needs internet connectivity to run any of these benchmarking tests. But as we have seen on the Antutu benchmark, we can assume that the performance of POCO X7 will be better compared to the Redmi Note 14 5G, because POCO X7 comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra processor along with Mali G720 GPU, while we got MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra processor along with IMG BXM 8256 GPU on Redmi Note 14 5G. Once again, you can watch our gaming performance test videos of these two smartphones to better get the idea about the gaming and GPU capability of these two smartphones. But as we can see here, in terms of benchmarking test score results, performance of POCO X7 is better compared to Redmi Note 14 5G. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.